Well, I'm ready to start this bike. I've got the motor ready. I haven't started it yet. This is going to be the first start. Now, I was going to just block off the carburetor here, or the auto lube there. We're just going to block that off, but with all my checking if it's got spark and just running it, the oil's already up to there, and that's red, and that's the colour of the auto lube. So, which probably makes sense because it's all pre-primed. It's only got that small tube to run up to, so she's ready to go. And I'm at this stage. I'm happy with how the bike's looking. I washed it once just to get most of that lanolin fat off it. So just over the top, just a quick wash. So now it just looks like a bike that's been in the shed, well looked after, put away. Everything's there, which is really pleasing. Like all the little clips, everything's all there. Even this stupid thing, it makes no sense to me, but that comes up and it's got little clips here. See that little clips there? And just sort of sits there, but everything's there. Really nice. When you look at a motorbike and you want to appreciate it, all those little things make something, Like all the hoses, you have that wire over that one, wire over that one, wire over that one, wire over that one. All that stuff that just sort of disappears on. Yes, I did use that $500 side cover there. All those things that sort of disappear over time are still there, Still the original ones are on it. They're really nice. We'll see how it goes. Two kicks. Okay, we'll have a look. Alright, second go.